To view and manage all your expense transactions in QuickBooks Online, click the Expense Transactions link under the Expenses and Bills app in the All Apps bar. This page shows all expense transactions from the last 12 months, but you can change this by using the Filter drop-down at the top of the page. In the upper right corner of the page are two drop-down buttons. To open the Print Checks or Pay Bills windows, or to order checks from Intuit, click or select a choice from the Print Checks, Pay Bills, Order Checks drop-down button. Alternatively, to create a new expense transaction, click the New Transaction drop-down button. Then select the type of transaction to create from the drop-down menu that appears. Selecting any choice from this drop-down menu opens its transaction creation window. To filter the expenses by transaction type, click the drop-down at the left end of the filtering buttons above the list of expense transactions and select a choice. To filter the expenses by other criteria, click the Filter button in the Expenses page to show a menu of other filtering drop-downs. The filtering drop-downs in this menu include Status, Delivery Method, Date with From and To fields, Payee, and Category. If needed to apply a filter after selecting a drop-down filtering choice, click the Apply button in the menu. Alternatively, to reset the filtering choices, click the Reset button in the menu. Applied filters appear in a list to the right of the Filter button. To remove an applied filtering choice, either click the X button to the right of the specific filter to remove, or click the Clear Filter/View All link to the right of the list of applied filters to clear all the filters. To select an expense transaction in the Expenses page, click to check the checkbox to the left of the transaction. A Batch Actions button or buttons then appear above the list of transactions, which lets you perform the same action on all selected transactions. Depending on which transactions are currently checked in the transactions list, the buttons change. To perform a single action on multiple transactions of the same type, select the transactions on which to perform the batch action in the transactions list by checking the checkbox to the left of the transactions. Then click the desired Batch Actions button to perform the action on those selected transactions. In the upper right corner of the transactions list are three buttons for Export to Excel, Print, and Settings. To download the expense transaction list as an Excel workbook, click the Export to Excel button. To open your web browser's print dialog box so you can print a printer-friendly version of the expenses page, click the Print button. To show the display options for the expense transactions list in a drop-down menu, click the Settings button. To show or hide columns in the list, check or uncheck the names of the columns under the Columns heading in the drop-down menu. To select the number of transaction rows to show per page in the list, click the Rows drop-down in the drop-down menu, and then select a choice. The default column headings for the expense transactions list are Date, Type, Number, Payee, Category, Total, and Action. Clicking any column headings other than Action sorts the transactions by the values in that column. Depending on the specific type of transaction, the Category column may contain a drop-down that lets you select to which account to attribute the expense. Clicking any transaction in the list opens the Transactions window. The Action column contains a link for an action you can click and a drop-down from which you can select an action, which lets you perform the clicked or selected action on that particular transaction. The action choices vary depending on the type of transaction. When you display more transactions than you can show per page based on the selected row's value to show per page in the settings, you can then click the first, previous, next, and last links that appear in the lower right corner of the list of transactions to move through the pages of transactions that appear. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.